discuss your very first chapter of your Beehive textbook. Okay, that is The Fun They Had, and it is written by Isaac Asimov. Okay, so let us begin with the chapter. Before we proceed with the chapter, I'll give you an introduction about this chapter. Okay. So students, basically this story revolves around two children, that is Margie, a girl, okay, and another is Tommy, a boy. So this is a very light story. It is set in the future. It will make all of you to love school. This story is regarding school life and how those children who do not go to school, they miss school. Okay. The setting of the story is in the future when perhaps there will be no school, no books. Now, how those students will miss going to school and will feel that their ancestor, that is the present generation, you all, had fun going to school, meeting and helping each other. In the end, we come to know that this is an imagination of a young girl named Margie, who comes to know that their ancestor used to go to school. All the children used to study together. She feels that they all had a lot of fun when they went to school. So, when we read the story, we feel that the school life is very good and we are fortunate enough that we have the real school where we go, meet friends and get a chance to study together. So students, let us start with the chapter. Margie is the main character of the story. Here you can see this is Margie. Okay, so she is the main character of the story. She is a girl of 11 years of age. She writes a diary on the night of 17th May 2157. Okay, now right now where we are living in the 2020. So as told earlier, the story is set in the future and it is set in the year 2157. Okay, so almost 1.5 century, or you can say 140 years from now. Okay, so at that time Margie writes an entry in her diary and she writes that Tommy found a real book. As I told you before, students, Tommy is the name of a boy. Okay, and she is feeling so strange because in her times, real books do not exist. They only have e-books, the virtual books. Now students, if you'll see the today's condition, because of the lockdown, we are also sitting at home and we are also using the virtual classes, right? You are also sitting home and you are reading the things through the video, isn't it? So these things are called virtual classes. Okay. So, books in the format of print on paper are extinct, and so Margie is astonished to see a real book. Now students, what is the meaning of astonished here? It means surprise. Okay? So, let's move further. Now students, Margie is reminded of her grandfather. He told her that his grandfather studied all the books that were printed on paper. So, this kind of a book is historical or ancient for them. Something which they cannot believe and students they cannot imagine. Margie is talking about the book that Tommy had found. She says that the pages of the book had turned yellow and they had been crushed as it was very old. The children found it very funny to read the book which words are stood still. Now students, what is the meaning of words which stood still? It means as they were printed on the pages, they did not move. It means that. On the other hand, the books that Margie and Tommy read were online, that is e-books. So in the e-books, how it happens, the text keeps on moving as your screen moves, but it was different in the books printed on paper. Okay? This was a very strange experience for these children. When you have a book which is printed on a paper, whenever you flip the pages, you too get to see the same thing written on the pages. On the other hand, in an e-book, the text keep on changing on the screen. Isn't it, students? The screen is the same. You have the same screen in front of you, but the text keep on changing, isn't it? So whenever you go back, the text is different. So Tommy disliked the printed books. He said that it was a waste because he felt that whenever you complete the reading of a book, you have to throw it away. You cannot have some different story written on the same book. On the contrary, he felt that the computer screen was very good because the same screen had shown him many books and still he could read many more on it, isn't it? So this is the difference between the printed book and the e-book. Okay, students, it will form a very important question. Okay, so listen it carefully. He would not have to throw that screen away when once he had read the particular story. Okay, now the students, Margie also agreed with the Tommy's opinion. Margie was 11 years of age and she has not read as many as books that Tommy did because Tommy was older to Margie. He was 13 years of age. Margie asked Tommy that where had he found the printed books. Now Tommy replied to Margie that he found the printed books in the storeroom of the house. He was so busy reading the books that he did not remove his glance from the book. Now students, what is the meaning of glance here? Glance means to look briefly. Now Margie asked that what the book was about. Tommy replied that the book was about school, about going to school, about the life at school. Now let's see what happens further. Margie hated the word school, and so she said that what was there to write about it, that an entire book had been written about school. So he was surprised. What is Margie's school? Let us see. Margie's school is a mechanical teacher. A mechanical teacher, that means the machine which teaches you and not that school where we all go. Okay? Now, why did Margie hate school? Let us see why. Margie's school was a virtual classroom. As I told you before, it was not a real school like we have today. So in the future, we are thinking that the school will be virtual classroom. There will be machines that will be teaching the children. Margie hated this machine because it was giving her so many tests in geography which were very difficult for her, and she was performing very badly in that. So students, finally her mother thought that there was a problem, there was something wrong with the machine. So she called out the county inspector to check the machine. Now students, who is county inspector here? County inspector is a human, okay, who repaired the machines. Okay, so that's why her mother called her. The county inspector came to check the mechanical teacher. He was round little man and he had a red face. He was carrying a big box full of tools with dials and wires. So this man opened the machine. He was there to repair the computer.